Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today, in this video, we are going to review some pros and cons of starting an online business. While starting a business can be exciting, it can also be very scary. In today's digital age, one of the most popular ways to start a business is by taking it online. With almost 4.66 billion people using the internet worldwide, having an online business allows you to reach a global audience and potentially increase your profits. However, like any other business model, starting an online business has its own set of pros and cons. We've identified some below. Number 1, pros. It's easy to get started. Starting an online business isn't too hard at all, and there are many platforms and tools available to help you get started with the process. Number 2, global reach. The internet lets you talk to people all over the world. You don't have to be in the same place to sell to people. Number 3, flexibility. You can choose your own working hours and place where you want to work when you have an online business. You can work anywhere with an internet connection, not just at home. Having a better work-life balance and less stress from traveling are both benefits of this. And number 4 is scalability. It's possible for online businesses to grow very rapidly. If your marketing plan works, you can quickly reach a lot of people, grow your business, and maybe even see your profits go through the roof. Now here are some cons. Number 1, a lot of competition. Since it's easy to start an online business, a lot of people are doing it, which makes the competition tough. It can be hard to stand out from the other online businesses, and it may take a lot of time and money to do so. Number 2, technical challenges. Some entrepreneurs find it scary to think about how to handle their websites, keep them safe, do SEO when they're running an online business. They have to worry about cybersecurity risks, to include being open to cyber threats like hacking, data breaches, and online scams, all of which have extremely negative results. Number 3, customer trust. It can be hard to gain the trust of online customers because many people are wary of online transactions and question the legitimacy of companies. And number 4, isolation. If you run your own business, you might not have the social contact and camaraderie that comes with working in a real office. That lack of face-to-face contact can be difficult for some, especially those who are very social within an office setting. So those are just some of the brief pros and cons of starting your own business if that's what you're thinking of doing. There are good and bad points about starting a business online, and it all comes down to your business goals and your means. Before you decide to move your business online, you should carefully think about all the pros and cons. With the right approach and planning, an online business can be a rewarding and successful business. It lets you connect with people all over the world, and if you use the right methods, you can stand out from the crowd. This does, however, come with its own problems, such as worries about safety and a lot of competition. Because of these reasons, it's important to put in place strict security measures and keep coming up with new ideas to stay current. You need to work hard, be creative, and be able to change with the times to make your online business successful, just like any other business. Well, we hope you found this video gave you some valuable insights and inspirations to start your journey towards financial success by making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.